If you're looking for a property that has something to offer the entire family, then look no further at this well-rounded acreage just outside of Allerton, Iowa. This 40-acre parcel offers scenic views overlooking the rolling hills of south central Iowa. There is a building site all prepped out on the northeast corner of the property, right off of a hard surface road, with a building pad and utilities on site. Income-producing property with almost $5,200 annually coming from a CP1 program that provides excellent income for a smaller tract and even better habitat for wildlife. Do not overlook the hunting potential on this property. Big block landowners surround the area, offering less hunting pressure and more opportunity for deer to make it to their full potential. This land is surrounded by a large ag, offers two-sided access, and has a pond located near the center of the farm. Just a short drive from Bobwhite State Park, which offers excellent fishing, camping, and kayaking opportunities. Do not miss your chance to own such a well-rounded acreage. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.